So hello everyone. So hello ladies and gentlemen out here. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is the fourth type of successive division method. That means the application of LCM and HCF. Okay. Now in this question, more than 95% of students were getting confused how to do it. No, and I guess you are also confused. Not only you, majority of the class 10 students are getting confused while solving this type of problem. Whether it will be HCF, whether it will be LCM or what. Okay. But don't worry. I am going to tell you some tricks how to solve this. And using that trick, you can solve 95% of the given problems. Okay. Then, bro, now what about those 5% problem? Don't worry. When I am here, you don't have to worry. Since I am here, I will tell how to solve those 5% problems also. Okay. So let's get started with the trick first. Now, do you know what is I've already said about the meaning of HCF and LCM earlier also. Now I am going to say it again for making you understand easier. Okay. Now what is the HCF? Highest common factor. What is the LCM? Least common multiple. So tell me, which is the smallest? Factor is smaller or multiple is smaller? Always factor is the smaller one, because what is the factor? Let's say number 12 is given. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 12. These are the factors of 12. How we are finding it? Using the factor tree. Those factor tree way, remember? Or the prime factorization way. Okay. Either prime factorization way or the factor tree way. Okay. So that means the factor of an element is smaller or equal to that element. Okay. But what about the multiples? Multiples are always greater than that element, equal to or greater. Let's say what are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, going on. So actually factors are finite number of elements, but multiples are infinite number of elements. Okay. And in multiples, the numbers are getting bigger and bigger and bigger with times. Okay. Now, why I am saying this one? Because I am going to show you some trick which will help you in solving this type of problem. The trick are, I am going to write 3 points for the shortcut of the trick. First trick: read the question very properly. Yes, exactly. First, you have to read the question very properly and understand what they want from us. What they want from us. Then, you just have to understand what could be the possible final answer. Okay. And you have to understand what could be the final possible answer. What could be the possible final answer? Whether the final answer will be greater than or smaller than the given numbers. Okay. Let's say here you can say that find the largest number which divide 245 and 1037, leaving divide this one in this case. Let's say I am having 245 in my this end and 1037 in this end. Okay, these two are having. Now what they have said, find the largest number which divides. That means by reading the question, I can easily understand that they are asking a number. They are telling me to find a number. Okay, and that given number will be smaller than the given number. I'm sorry. That final number will be smaller than the given numbers. How? That's why I said read the question very properly. You have to read the question again and again. Okay. So find the largest number which divides 245 and 1037. That means let's say 245 is divided by 245 and 1037. Now 1037 cannot divide 245 because 245 is less than 1037. Okay. So the highest could be 245, and for this one 245 is less than 1037. That means the final answer could be smaller, equal or smaller to the given numbers. Okay. So in this case, what I have said in the factors, HCF, highest common factors. Okay. Factors too. Factor means the smaller number, and what they have said here, the final answer is coming, the final answer is getting smaller. Okay. That means exactly, this means you have to do here HCF. You have to find the HCF of the given problem. Now, if they ask something and you have to find, and you have, by reading the question, you have understood that the final answer could be the possible final answer is great. The value of the possible final answer is greater than the given answer. Then it will be the LCM. Okay. So remember this trick. I am going to repeat this trick in a few more problems. Okay. So let's get started with this one. Now, what they have said, find the largest number which divides 245 and 1037, leaving remainder 5 in each case. So, 245 is there, 1037 is there. These two numbers are there. Okay. Now they have told me to, is the recording going on? Yes, it's going on perfectly. Now what they have said, how to find this one. So 2045 is given and 1037 is given. They have said find the largest number which divides both the number. Okay. If a number divides both the number, then it would be a smaller number, that means HCF. Okay. But what they have said, leaving remainder 5 in each case. Okay. Leaving remainder 5. That means, so let's say 245. If we take 245 and the largest number, say, let's say this one with the largest number. Okay, then this one is 245. If this one divides this 245, let's say it's divided and it has found remainder 5. So remainder 5 is there. That means it's 245 is not fully divisible by this number. 245 will be easily divisible by this number if this number is, if we subtract 5 from this number. If we subtract 5 from this number, then after dividing this one, we will not get the remainder 5. Okay. Similarly, 1037 is there. If we, let's say this one is the largest number. If this number divides this 1037, we are getting remainder 5 again. This means, if we subtract 5 from 1037, then the number which we will be getting, it will easily be divisible by that largest number, and we will not get any remainder 0. That means, so how are you going to solve this problem? So in the fourth type of successive division method, this is the what problems. Okay, and in the what problem, there are various types of what problem. Let's say this one is the first step. In this question, they may find the largest number. They given 245 and 1037, leaving remainder 5 in each case. They may give 4 number or 5 number or 3 number. They may say leaving this in each cases or anything. Don't worry, I am going to say each and everything. So let's do this one. The writing style is there already in the book, in the R.S. Agrawal, in the R.T. Sharma or NCERT. It is there in the book, so you go through that one. I am telling how to solve this one. Okay, I am mainly focusing on the concept one. Okay, now, so find the largest number which divides 245 and 1037. I guess the board is usually visible. So 245 and 1037, leaving remainder 5 in each case. That means 245 minus 5, that is 240, and 1037 minus 5, that is 103. What? 2. Okay. So 240 and 1032. So my numbers are 240 and 1032. Now let's find the HCF of these two given numbers. So let's try. How? By prime factorization method. Okay, come. 240. Let's try to find the HCF of 240. 2, 120, again 260, again 230. Actually, my health is not good for the last few days. That's why I am unable to upload lectures. Okay, but still it is not okay. But for you guys, I am going to take some risks about my health and do the lectures. Okay, don't worry. No, this one is done. Okay. Okay, let me give it again also. 1032, 5, then 1, then 6, again 2, then 2, 5, 8, then again 2, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. Is it going in any more times? Yes, 3. 3, 4, 12, 3. No, it will not go anymore. Okay. Now, let me rub this one. 1032. 1032. That is 1, 2, 3. 2 to the power 3 into how many 3s are there? 1. So into 3 to the power 1 into how many 43s are there? 1, 43, 240. 240. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s are there. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 5. 1, 5 is there. Okay, so this is the prime factorization of 1032 and 240. Okay, now let's find the HCF. What is the HCF? Highest common factor. Okay, let's find what is the common in this. 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. That means 2 to the power 3. That means 3 2s are common. Okay, let me write here. 2 to the power 3. Okay, now what is it here about? Into 3. That is 2 to the power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8 into 3. 8 3 are 24. That means the highest number which divides 247 and 1037, leaving remainder 5 in each case is 24. Okay, so this is the highest number which divides this number. Okay, now for the writing style, you can either go to the RSA one, this problem, or RD Sharma. There are actually these problems are better in RSA one. RD Sharma also is in RD Sharma there are various problems, but don't after doing this one you have to go to the sample paper question. Okay, or previous 10 years question, that chapter wise topic wise question bank. You have to solve that one. Then only you can get the better and correct idea what will be coming in the boards. Okay. Now, have you done this problem? Have you done? I guess it's visible. Okay. Now let me show you another type of problem. Now let me have, okay. Now they may ask another question like this. In the same format, find the largest number which divides. Let me take a bigger problem. Find the largest number which divides. I hope this area is not properly visible, but don't worry, I will say. Which divides 398, 436, 436 and 542, leaving remainder 7, 11, 15 respectively. Leaving remainder 7, 11, 15 respectively. Okay. So what they have said, find the largest number which divides 398, 436 and 542, leaving remainder 7, 11, 15 in each cases. So 398 is there. Okay. And this is the largest number. When this large number divides this number, we will get remainder 7. So if you subtract 7 from this number, it will be easily divisible. This largest number can easily divide this number. Now 436 remainder is 11. So 436, this is the largest number. If this number divides, then we will be getting remainder as 11. So if we subtract 11 from this number, then this one will be easily divisible. Similar same case with that one. 542 remainder 15. Okay. If you subtract 15, then it will be easily divisible. Okay. Now let's get started. So 338 minus 7. I guess I have written the values correctly. 398, 436, 542, 542, 7, 11, 15, 7, 11, 15. Yeah, all are correct. So 390 into what will be 391. Then 436 minus 11. What will be this one? 5, 2, 4. 494. Then 542 minus 15. What will be this one? 12 minus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Then 15, 2, 5. And 527. So these are the three numbers. Okay. Let's find this one. 391. Which one? Let's what to give it this one. let's give it 17. Is 39 minus 34 minus adding 51, 23. Okay. Now 425. Let's give it 5. 4 is 40. 25. 5. 5 1s are 5. Then 35. 5 7 is 35. Again 17 is coming. Again. Try this one. 527. We do this one with how much time? Let's get let's try with 17. 17 to 51, 15 more. Only one time. Okay, no problem. Now what is 391? 391 is 17 into 23. What about 425? 425 is 5 square into 17. What about the 527? 527 is 17 into 31. So what are the common in all the private factorial? 17, 17, 17. So 17 is common. This means 17 is the largest number which divides all the three numbers, leaving remainder 7, 11, 15 respectively. Okay. I hope you have understood this problem, and there are several types of problems, but I have shown this the first type how to solve this one. Okay. But this is the first type of problem how to successive. This is the fourth type of successive division method, and in the fourth type there are various more types. Okay, these are sub cases, and this one is the sub case one. How to solve it, how to find the largest number. Then I will be solving like how to number of Kaju burfis and how many times one rotates. Then few more times, then red signal, green signal. All this problem I am going to solve. Okay, the number of rooms required. Okay, all this problem I am going to solve. Those 5% problems, those are not in 95 problem. All those problems I am going to solve. Okay, stay connected, stay happy. Okay, keep learning. Bye bye.